Welcome back to Motor Revs 27. Today, for 2026 Husqvarna TE300 Pro. Let's take a look.
In a world where four-stroke technology continues to dominate modern enduro racing, the 2026 Husqvarna TE300 Pro stubbornly clings to its two-stroke roots, by choice, not by accident. This is Husqvarna's most hardcore enduro weapon, designed for riders who crave raw torque, mechanical simplicity, and that unmistakable two-stroke character. But while it proudly wears the Pro badge, not everything here is beyond criticism. At the heart of the TE300 Pro sits the 293 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine with throttle body injection. On paper, it promises smoother fueling, cleaner emissions, and easier power control. In reality, it still feels very much like a classic two-stroke, explosive, aggressive, and occasionally unforgiving. Yes, the torque at low RPM is impressive, especially in technical climbs, but the power delivery can still catch less experienced riders off guard. This is not a bike that forgives hesitation or sloppy throttle control. Husqvarna claims the lightweight chassis enhances agility, and with just over 108 kilograms unladen, the TE300 Pro does feel nimble between trees and over rock gardens. However, that tall seat height and firm enduro-focused ergonomics quickly remind you that this machine was built for competition, not comfort. Long trail rides? Don't expect luxury here. The narrow seat and stiff setup make it clear this bike prioritizes performance over rider comfort, perhaps too aggressively. The WP-ZACT suspension is fully adjustable and undeniably capable at race pace. Push hard, and it rewards you with precision and control. Ride casually, and it can feel unnecessarily harsh. This race-first setup might impress seasoned enduro racers, but for average riders, it borders on overkill. Visually, the TE300 Pro looks purposeful, but also somewhat predictable. The clean Scandinavian design hasn't evolved dramatically, and while functional, it lacks the visual excitement seen in some rival models. Premium components like Galfer brakes and a SuperSprox rear sprocket are welcome, yet they also push the price into territory where expectations are higher and tolerance for flaws is lower. In the end, the 2026 Husqvarna TE300 Pro is not trying to please everyone. It's loud, demanding, and unapologetically hardcore. For elite riders, it's a weapon. For everyone else, it may feel like a constant reminder that pro doesn't always mean friendly.